Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your Coda friend Minal, and today I'm gonna tell you how to do project 82 of White Hat Junior. So in this project we have to make a web page. Like there will be a plain area, and when we click here the circles will be painted, and under the canvas there will be radius, color and width of the line. And if we change the color, like I changed it to red, so the circles will be in red. And radius, if we change this, then they will be more bigger than these circles. And here that is width of line, like how thicker the line should be. So if we give here 5, so the lines are thicker than before. And the button, that is clear area, if we click on that everything is gone. So let's see the HTML, CSS and JavaScript for that. So first HTML, we will link style sheet, a type that will be text slash css style.css, then script JavaScript, and then we will open head tag, body tag, and then class equals body background, div align equals center, and then like here this text is given. For that we will open h1, that will be paint, and then canvas id equals in double quotes my canvas, width equals 800, height equals 400, and then we will close the canvas tag. Then we will give 2 break tags, so there will be some space here. For this space we have given break tag. And after giving the break tag we will open span and radius hyphen. So this is for the text which we gave here, and then we will open input type equals text, id equals radius, value equals 20, and then we will close the input tag. This is for the text input which is here. Then we will again open the span tag and color hyphen span. So for this text we give span. Then again input type equals text, id equals color, value equals red. So here the value will be red when anybody comes to this page. Then again span width of the line, input type equals id equals width of line, value that will be 2, break tag, button on click. This is for the clear area button. On here we will open button tag, and then on click means when the button is clicked, and the id is this is the function clear area which we have in JavaScript, clear area, and this is the text clear area which is displayed here. And then div script source equals main.js, script close, body and HTML close. Now let's move to the CSS. Here dot body background image URL is here, the URL for this background image which is in the background, and then background position, center, background size, that is covered. Then the how should be the body cursor, that should be pointed. Like if I am moving my cursor here, that is becoming different. and if I'm not going there, the cursor is different. Like if here that cursor is different, and when I go to canvas that is different. H1 color, that should be red, font size 20 pixel, hash my and canvas, border width 10 pixel, background color white, border style rich, then button background color, here we will give the number of background color, then body none, color white. And then now let's move to the JS. Variable mouse event equals in double quotes empty, canvas equals document dot get element by id, my canvas ctx equals canvas dot get context 2d. so these all are 2d. then color equals black, width of line, that is 2, canvas dot add event listener, mouse down, mouse, then without double quotes mouse down function, and then we will create a function that is my mouse down, and in the brackets we will give e because that's an event. Color equals document dot get element by id, in double quotes color because that is an id, dot value, width of line equals document dot get element by id, width of line dot value, radius document dot get element by radius dot value, mouse event equals mouse down, canvas dot add event listener, mouse move, my mouse move, current position of mouse x and current position of mouse y, e dot client x client y hyphen canvas of set left. And then if mouse event equals, so remember when we will give the condition in the if statement, we will give double equal sign, then console.log current position of x and y coordinates, console.log x equals, then plus current position of mouse x plus y equals plus current position of mouse y, ctx begin path, ctx stroke style equals color, ctx line width equals width of line, ctx arc current position of mouse x, current position of mouse y, radius 0, 2, then multiplied math.pi ctx dot stroke, and then after the if statement we will give canvas dot add event listener, mouse up, my mouse up function, my mouse up, mouse event mouse up equals mouse up, canvas dot add event listener in double quotes mouse leave, comma mouse, my mouse leave function, my mouse leave, mouse event equals mouse leave. So this is here there is another function that is clear area, ctx dot clear 0, 0 ctx dot canvas dot width, ctx dot canvas dot height. That means when we click on the button, so everything gets clean. So this is the only code for project 82. The project link will be in the description for your reference. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.